Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to do some custom wheels in Onshape. To begin with, you don't need to create a new file. Today we're going to open up the front wheel file that you created in previous lessons. And if you haven't, you need to share it with me. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a sketch on the front of that wheel. So we need to go to Sketch, and we're going to select the front of the wheel. Now here you're going to hit the down arrow under that says DXF, and you're going to hit Insert Image. And as you'll see, you have no images available. So we need to get one. So here you can go to Google and just type in car wheels. And then you'll get your results, and then go to Images. And as you can tell, there are a lot to choose from. The more intricate that you'll see, the more difficult it will be, but you can do it. For the day, I'm just going to pick a very simple one to kind of show you the gist of exactly how this is done. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, and then I want to download that to my computer. So I'm going to hit Save Image As. And then I'm going to put it somewhere. Now I'm on a Windows machine, so your Chromebooks will look different, but you need to save it to your Google Drive and give it a name. I'm going to call mine Wheels. And now here where it says no images are available, I'm going to click on Import. Now I have to go find it. You find your file, select it, and click Open, and it should automatically upload to Onshape. This screen right here, you can just exit out. You won't need that anymore. And now we're going to click on the image, and then you'll read it says select an image to import, and you're going to simply just draw, click and drag on your mouse, and draw a square and try to get it to the right size as the wheel. And then you're simply going to click on it and move it into place. Now here you're going to use a series of arcs and lines to outline the empty space of the wheel. So we're going to just trace the wheel design. And if you have to switch back and forth, you can always right click on your mouse and hit Escape Line, or you can simply hit the Escape key. And so I'm going to go back and forth between arcs and then lines. And I'll right click, Escape Line, and I'll go back to arc, and then I'm going to complete that part of the sketch. Now I've got 4 more to do, so there's a total of 5 cutouts with this wheel design, and I have to do this same process for each one. A couple things to keep in mind here is that it's very important when you're switching back and forth from arcs and lines that you are snapping it to the end point. So here I want to snap to that endpoint and that endpoint. If you don't, and it's not a completed sketch, it will not cut away properly. So again, I'll hit the endpoint on that and the endpoint there, drag my arc out, and I'll keep going around the wheel doing the same process each and every single time. Now if you make a mistake, and you can tell that this side is obviously a little bit shorter than the rest, you can always go back in, and if you have to delete, you can go back into those sketches, and if you have to delete a line, that's fine. You can always redraw it. If you move this one out here with an arc, you might mess it up, so delete the arc, and then you're going to have to redraw it once you get that line to the right size. So you can edit these. Draw it back out, click, hit the green check mark to finish your sketch. Now we got to go to extrude and then hit remove. And I'm going to select each and every single cutout of the tire. If you have a lot of cutouts, it might be smart to do in stages, so you don't have to do it all at once, but this is enough to handle. And there you have it. That is the final wheel. Now from here, I can 3D print it for you, and we can actually have your car. Now, the wheels are probably not, you don't want to race with them because sometimes they break, but yet we can print these out for you in any color you'd like. That's it. Now on to build your car.